this video, we're going to look at how to import a job into Onyx 25. So we're in the RIP center at the moment, and I'm going to go to the Open tab, top left, and then this will open up our Open window. In here, I'm going to find my file. And then going to choose a printer that I'm going to send it to. You can see I've only got the Canon Colorado M series. And then I'm going to choose a quick set that I'm going to send it out to. So let's go for default. I can choose whether to open it straight away in Job Editor, or I can uncheck that so it doesn't open in Job Editor. I can say how many copies I'd like of that file. I can change the sizing rules, so I can just go image size, we'll bring it in as it is. I can magnify it straight away. I can change the width and the height. I can reduce size to fit the page. I can rotate the job, I can mirror the job, and I can also add some job ticket information as well. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to press open. That's now going to import the file, and if I click on it and highlight it in blue, we'll also see it then rips the file straight away. So that's why it's a good idea if you are going to make any changes, i.e. sort of rotation or mirror, it's great to do it as you import it, and then you don't have to re-rip the job again. Now the job is in, you'll see that I have a print preview on this side over here, and that's because my media, current media matches my job media, and then it's ready to print. So at this point I can now edit the job, set the job up, or I can just send it straight off to print. So that's how you import a file into Onyx 25.